TONEX versus Fractal FM9. Which guitar processor is better? Choosing the right guitar processor can transform your sound without the hassle of complicated setups. TONEX offers cloud-based AI modeling, while Fractal FM9 delivers powerful onboard processing. TONEX and Fractal FM9 are both high-end guitar processors, but their core difference lies in technology. TONEX uses AI-driven cloud modeling for infinite amp and effects options, whereas Fractal FM9 relies on advanced onboard DSP hardware for real-time, low-latency performance. TONEX is an innovative guitar processor that leverages AI-powered cloud modeling to provide a vast library of amplifier and effects simulations. It works by connecting your guitar setup to the TONEX cloud platform, where AI algorithms analyze and recreate tones from iconic amps and pedals. This approach offers virtually endless tonal options and continuous updates as new models are added. The strength of TONEX lies in its flexibility and the ability to access fresh sounds without hardware upgrades. However, it requires a stable internet connection for cloud processing, which can introduce latency or connectivity issues in some situations. TONEX is ideal for guitarists who want a wide palette of tones and are comfortable with a cloud-based workflow, especially those who value innovation and experimentation over traditional hardware setups. Fractal FM9 is a powerful standalone guitar processor, featuring advanced onboard digital signal processing. It offers a comprehensive range of amp models, cabinets, and effects with ultra-low latency, making it perfect for live performance and studio use. The FM9's hardware-centric design ensures reliable instant response without depending on internet connectivity. It excels in delivering rich, authentic tones with deep editing capabilities supported by Fractal's renowned sound quality. While the FM9 has a steeper learning curve due to its extensive features, it is highly customizable and built for professionals who demand precision and consistency. Its limitations include a higher price point and less tonal variety compared to cloud-based solutions. The FM9 suits guitarists who prioritize hardware reliability, low latency, and detailed control over their sound. Comparing TONEX and Fractal FM9 highlights the trade-offs between cloud flexibility and hardware reliability. TONEX offers unmatched tonal variety through AI modeling and constant updates, ideal for studio experimentation and home use. However, it depends on internet connectivity, which can limit live performance use. Fractal FM9 provides instant low-latency response with no reliance on external connections, making it a dependable choice for gigging musicians and recording professionals. TONEX's cloud-based system suits players wanting easy access to new sounds without hardware upgrades, while FM9 appeals to those who need robust real-time processing and deep editing. Both deliver excellent tone, but your choice depends on whether you prefer cutting-edge AI versatility or proven hardware stability. Choose TONEX if you want a flexible, cloud-powered guitar processor with endless tone options, and don't mind relying on internet connectivity for your sound. Opt for Fractal FM9 if you need a powerful standalone processor with ultra-low latency and professional-grade tone for live and studio use. Its hardware reliability and detailed control make it a top choice for serious guitarists seeking consistent performance.